Hi there, students. A parapet. A parapet. Okay, if you go out onto a balcony, for example, you go out of a window and there's a balcony. Well, at the edge there's a wall going round the edge, a retaining wall, and that is the parapet. A parapet is like a retaining wall to stop you falling over the edge, or a rail. Very often, if there is a cliff walk that you walk along the edge of a cliff, there may be a rail that goes all the way along to stop you falling over. That is a parapet. Okay, so a parapet, it's like a rail, a low wall along the edge of something, along the edge of a roof or a balcony, to stop you falling over. Or, for example, a bridge that goes across the river. Either edge there will be a low wall, and that is the parapet. It's a parapet. It's there to stop you falling over, to mark the edge of the wall. So it's a low protective wall, a railing along the edge of a roof or a balcony. Or, for example, the walls of a castle. The soldiers walk along the walls of the castle, and on the outside edge there is a parapet, a wall, to protect the soldiers from enemy fire, and that is your parapet. I think from there we get the idiom, keep your head below the parapet. Don't put your head above the parapet, meaning don't put yourself open to criticism. Don't put yourself open to fire. Don't raise your head above the parapet, because if you raise your head above the parapet, then you're going to be noticed and criticized. And people will be angry with you. So yes, unless you are absolutely certain of what you're doing, it's best not to raise your head above the parapet. So I don't know, an army besieged the castle, and they fired arrows over the castle parapet. There was a bird watching platform, and I sat and watched the birds with my arms rested on the parapet. Okay, so it's very nice to look over lean against a parapet and look at it. Yeah. Also, maybe you don't want, if there's a parapet, then you don't want to go right up to the edge, because you're a little bit afraid that maybe you're going to fall. Some sort of balustrade as well that stops you. It's the edge. This is the parapet. Formality, I think I'm going to give this word a 6 out of 10. Use in a semi-formal conversation, semi-formal writing. And then as to origin, it comes through French from Italian, parapeto. Yeah, para, to protect or to block, and peto, a chest. So it's like a chest to block people from falling over. So a parapet, the wall at the edge going round something. A balustrade. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Parapet.